But it's not my fault. I've never had hiccups like this before. How am I going to get rid of them?
Answer, you're not.
I could always get rid of them. I just have to hold my breath.
If you don't stop and hiccup with your mouth closed.
I'm afraid I'm going to hurt myself.
Stop! I'm trying to cook something.
That's the craziest hiccup ever. What? It's not my fault. Let me try to do it with my mouth closed. Oh, darn it.
Much better.
It doesn't feel any better.
Sounds better.
Oh my God. This is disturbing.
Stop.
Why does it sound like that?
Because your body is annoying.
I'm gonna throw up if I keep hiccuping like this. What is the deal with this? Usually, as soon as I get a hiccup, I can like hold my breath and then it goes away. Goes away. This is terrible. Why are you cutting it up into?
You have to dice it.
Oh, okay. Can't you dice it without cutting through like that?
No.
All right, well, this is getting annoying.